Hello students! This is a video to help you practice with our opening routine, what we talk about at the beginning of every class, if I remember. I will try to remember. So, I know this may look like a lot of information, but over the 7 weeks we have class together, I promise we will practice all of these things, so don't worry. So, the first thing we do when we log on to Zoom for class together, right? We say, hi, how are you? It's good to see you. Welcome, students. And then I will probably ask, students, what is the date today? Right now, what day is it? So what I'm looking for is today is Monday, July 7th, right? So the day of the week, today is Tuesday, today is Thursday. And then the month of the year, right? It is August, it is September, it is February, right? And then the number day, right? The 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 1, 2, 3, right? Maybe the 15th. So what is the date today? And so because we only have classes on certain days of the week, for example, my class only meets on Mondays and Wednesdays, to talk about other days of the week, instead of just saying, today is Monday, today is Wednesday, every time, so we know more days, I will also ask you, what day is it tomorrow, the next day? Right, so we have today here, and what day is it tomorrow, the next day? Right, if today is Monday, that means tomorrow is Tuesday, right, tomorrow. I will also ask you, what day was yesterday? Past tense. Yesterday was. Yesterday was Sunday. Right? Yesterday. At some point, we also might ask, what was the day before yesterday? So that was Saturday if today is Monday. So that's 2 days ago. And then what is the day after tomorrow? So we will probably talk about both of those things, in the past and in the future. So, we will review the days of the week. So there will probably be a little song about it, if my picture ever loads. There we go. So I'll link to a picture of the days of the week song. For some of you it might be very easy, but that's okay. And then we'll also talk about the months of the year. We'll learn another song for the months of the year. There should be also a link available here. So, we will also practice writing the date in the United States. We write it a bit differently than some of you may be used to. We put the month of the year, and then the day number, and then we put the actual year, right? So it would be 8/21/23, right? So, we'll practice that. Other small talk questions your teacher might ask you. How was your weekend? Right, so I might ask this on a Monday. If you're in the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday class, you might get this question on your Tuesday. How was your weekend, right? The end of your week. So the weekend is typically Saturday and Sunday. What did you do on Saturday? What did you do on Sunday? Did you work? Did you go to the grocery store? So, and then some people also count Friday as the weekend. How was your weekend? Right, what did you do? So you could also hear a question, how was your weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Right, that's a yes or no question. Or your teacher might ask you, do you have plans for the next weekend? Do you have plans for this weekend? Oh, this weekend I will go to the lake. I will go to the beach this weekend. Right, not something I did last weekend, but something I will do this coming weekend in the future. So, very good. To answer, you could say, this weekend I did nothing. I slept the whole day. It was great. This weekend I went to Hershey Park. Right? Examples of talking about the past. And then for the future, right, you could say, this weekend I will do the laundry. This weekend I will go to Mount Rushmore. So, more small talk questions. Another small talk question, how are you? hello students, how are you? It's good to see you. How are you? Right? And we have a video about how are you that you can watch. If my slides ever load. There's the little play button. And you also might hear, what is the weather like? How is the weather? Today, it is hot. It's hot and a little muggy. I get all sweaty. But tomorrow, it will be rainy. Right? I don't like the rain. So, right, that's another small talk question. How is the weather? What is the weather like? Same thing. So there's also a video about that that you can watch. Again, you don't have to, but if you're curious. So, right, thank you. That is a little bit about our class routine. I'm excited to learn with you.